dangerous. Oh, watala urabana na satanya ninga wina bona. Watala urabana na satanya.
You what's up, Jago? You sound so engine over the phone.
Yeah, look, bro. We have a problem, Danger.
You're starting to scream me now. Don't be telling me that the police are after us after that mission.
No, it's not even about the police. Look, I think I will can be able to say one table up because no veranda but in the and I want to tell you too.
What? That's impossible, my bro. Jacob, you know Mountain Lodge is always safe. There's no way that the man is missing. Oh, you can speak now, huh? After my money is gone, you tell me that the money is gone? That's highly impossible. Nigga, where's the money?
Look, Danger.
Sorry for shouting at you. You know, bro, we'll work on another mission. We'll get our money back.
That's the problem, Danger. Because I don't want this life anymore. I want to quit it.
No! You know I won't allow you to quit. You feel me? I know you're still scared.
No, I think you're not understanding.
I know you're still scared.
I said I don't want this life and I'm done with it. That's it.
Bro, look, I know you're still scared. I'll give you some time then.
I want to do my loan shark business at Mangani Guest House.
So what now?
That's all. So if you can leave me, I need to go somewhere.
Ati wa first story na zwino no khodita zwo nchava. Or no hanga ndi phone Mr. Rego and tell him about your little dirty secret.
No, I mean yeah.
Hey, ndiko yanga chelede yanga.
Okay, khabone hapa nona. I mean ndo lingedzoza utanganisa chelede yawe nga ndirene na ngakona ngayo. Fedzi
Njani khombudza story. Every time njani khombudza story. Ndijena guy na. Ndijena guy. Hey, ndi cheze ya must cheze yanga. Oh, you think I'm joking, ne? DJ phone ya Mr. Rego. Okay, let me call you in a second. Sorry about disturb. Treacherous.
Okay, Kapi. Eno konyitori. Ndumera khandira dzine na voro ndo vandu no dziti chakale ndashanya kuvumira phala pethu. Fedzi ya ukonsia ndi tsena choice.
Ndichezweni. Asitedze yanga ntedze yanu.
I know. Asitedze yawe.
Asiyanga.
Okay.
Ngoyanga chelede yanga.
Kapi. Within 72 hours chelede ya udovone one.
72 hours you
Yeah,
said.
72 hours.
Okay.
Katompa 72 hours fedzi.
Chipinga chikoto.
I'm a thug, I'm a soldier in this life's war. Carry scars, but I've been to move from the bridges to the core. I'm a thug, I'm a soldier forevermore. I'm a thug, I'm a soldier in this life's war. Carry scars, but I've been to move from the projects to the core. I'm a thug, I'm a soldier forevermore. I was born in the struggle, baptized in the streets. A thug's journey with the cold concrete meets. In the shadow of the city where the pain repeats. I rose from the chaos, listen up my own one at least. In the midnight, Alice where the streets lights flickers. I'm a thug, I'm a soldier.
He did what?
Duplicate. You listen.
Huh?
I'm thinking of quitting this game just like you.
Sorry, my bro. But ndibona nga there is a solution yo quit zvino.
Talking about solution. What do you want me to do, huh? Exactly, you see? You don't have a plan either.
Okay, you know what, ne? Oh, Imania, wait. Any area Jacob ukodzula hange Mangani guest house, right? odibudza upusha business yawe ya vhulon shakani ngeti.
Yeah, that's what he told me.
Okay, Faranya. You and I, ini, because we Jacob, trust me.
Put him down?
Trust me.
Like how? Tell me how.
There's one thing that you have to do for me. Only one.
What is it?
You just have to promise me, or when you get your money back, you won't run away from me.
In a way, niggas running away from you. You know that.
Huh?
On God. Now what's on your mind?
Okay. Bro, relax. Let me just go and make a call, then I'll get back to you. Yes, bro.
Sure.
Look, Charlotte.
Yes, boss.
I know that you're gonna pull this one off.
Okay, boss, but what if I fail to lamtrapisa and I duplicate to the day?
No. What if to go to the and I just can give it to Okoska Ajana Arlexa Adzika. I feel free. I don't think I oyan.
Exactly, duplicate. And you must remember, you must relax. That guy notices things very quickly.
I think I got this one.
Yeah, that's my goal.
Duplicate, you trust this girl here?
Huh? Trust this girl again? Hey, ndiromtembo pira na mdzimu ndinivudzi. This girl, ngombona, oambara, onaka, otamba, ukunuke. Tando bana smile chao.
Cheryl, after having sex with Jacob, you must excuse him for raping you.
Okay, relax. Charlotte, can you please turn around? Or I can't bona jire hone ya kae. Kada turn around ngwananga. Kada mona futhi kabuye. Tara bona.
She looks so nice. Damn.
So,
I know.
Guys, msathu wangu. Ringa kono gents pictures.
For what now?
Huh. You know what? Hezwi zwithu rikolo zvivida celebration. Riko celebrate or riko wisa Jacob. We are going to bring down Jacob.
Finna be putting him down.
Yeah. Arrojani selfinyana.
Okay.
Kada John mini. Imanjwa kudiwa kuna mini ndabi. Ini ngoto shona to fara nyo mdemu fara. Mutuna skani. Sasa nani ai. Nsomoto yako kato njo. Ya kesho tano. Kesho. Smile nyana. Songo shona ai uko shona mimi. Eso ya.
Yeah, ndi wana la manga guest house hapo na kama namba 7. Awe. Hello, can I help you?
Sorry, usokojanani. By the way, my name is Charlotte.
Okay.
Okay, I heard that Ori, I know much on you, so.
Oh, it's about that, yes. What the child Rukumbanga Bukay up now?
I think I need 1,000.
You think?
I see, sorry, okay. I need 1K.
1K. Okay. Kumbera basi yao. And I will sort you out now, but it's 40% interest. Hello, can you hear me?
Huh?
Why do you exchange up?
Sorry, it's nothing.
No, kumbera basi yao.
duplicate. I told you, Jacob is very dangerous. And you didn't listen.
Relax, bro. Relax.
How can I relax? What if he killed her?
He'll never do that. Rather coach diva kachipinga cha jinoro ono muitamini. So arzike mapapu pasi.
You know what? Let's just go there.
Huh?
Let's just go there.
Izo ndizo ndingasikona zai. Ararar kwangera shikara baona ba busy bachikoheva sexy.
Talking about sex now, huh?
Yeah.
What can we do now?
There's nothing that we can do. Ndotodzura pasi radindira Charlotte achibuya. And I trust her. She'll never disappoint me. So yeah.
Wow. What's my name, babe?
Yeah. I need to speak to Charlotte. Yes, go. Kanda sakutotete enda zvavudi ruduvi yana chelede mtsvanga. Ha oshmesa. High five. Olwa. So, where is he now?
You mean Jacob?
Yes, darling.
That one, eh? Maybe he's still sleeping.
Hi, man.
Because, wow. Wait. You could allow me to rest the whole night.
I can imagine. Yeah. But hey, Charlotte, you know what, ne?
Yeah?
Right now we need to focus.
Yeah.
Because if Jacob and Danger finds us here, we are as good as dead. And you know what, ne? Now it's time. I'm just gonna put the petrol in the fire. Yes, I'm speaking.
But how to begin?
Relax, darling. And I can't swim past it. I relax. And watching.
Okay.
Yeah. And you know what, ne? I'm so proud of you, my darling. Just touch my blood. You are not just beautiful, but you are clever. You know what? Chelede mwana. Mwananga chelede. Ayuma. Boss.
Yes. Ndini matina.
Vachinga vokwata na chipato chunjinjimara. Mlandu.
No, don't ndandisa ko expect ene.
Ma ko expect ani?
No, ndandikore ndi this girl by the name of Charlotte. Author panoni ansedusa. Achipedza shava na chirede yanga. Maji.
Eish. And mapungo nyetori ndi depetu pano man.
Yeah.
Mapungo ndori hola mwana nyano kushumisana na Danger.
What?
Ndiko rara.
No. It can't be. Achikona dziri no.
Ndina evidence yotefererawo. Kesh.
What?
Ndi aneyo mafhungo.
So ene khou ṱoḓa mburi Charlotte ova uri muri a ḓe anseduse a tshi fhedza a shavha na tshelede yanga.
A ṱuwe na tshelede boss.
So kha ḓi tombudza avho vhathu vha nga vha gai zwino?
Zwa zwino ndi tshi to checka ti vange nḓuni ya danger. Zwino so ndi kwamba.
You know what? Charlotte na danger. Both of them are going to regret everything they did to me.
That's my boss.
They don't know me.
Okay, Jacob. But
Damn, I can't believe this. Voicemail again? Charlotte, are you still alive? Who is duplicate?
You mean she's not here?
Can you see anyone around here, Charlotte?
Yes, but she...
Ish. You say ish. Where is it?
What's me? Duplicate. Played us. When I'm too oritamba.
She played us like how? Tell me how.
So, I slept with a stranger for nothing. I can't believe Ori duplicate did this to me. I can't believe she did this to me.
Charlotte, please. Don't cry, Charlotte. Please, calm down. Look, Charlotte, she did not play. You only. She played me too. Understand me? Please, don't cry. Calm down. Don't cry, please, Charlotte, please.
Well. So it's true. You guys took my money. I'm not gonna play now. Hey, where's my money? Where is my money? I'm not gonna ask you again. I said, where is my money?
Jacob, your money, we don't know and we don't care.
Really? Then it means that nobody is living in this room now. It's you and me.
Stop breaking.
Sleeping. You think I'm playing? Eh? Danger. You know me very well.
Let's joke.
Danger. You know me very well. I am not playing. I need my money. Sleeping. Where's my money?
Please let her go. Don't let her go.
Where's my money?
I don't have money.
I will enjoy this moment.
Jacob, please don't do that. Let her
You
go.
know what? You know what I'm going to do now?
My guy, please.
No, to show you that I'm serious, I'm going to count up to 4. If you don't tell me where my money is, trust me,
Jacob, let her go.
I'm going to step in now.
Please, Jacob.
You're still joking. 1.
Jacob, please don't do that. My nigga, don't do that.
2. End of the road, Slay.
Jacob, please don't do that.
3.
Let her go.
Ndi madaba khalela flow ndi madaba khalela atonipe bo madaba khalela ritiwa ha madaba khalela biti ndi madaba khalela lyrics ndi madaba khalela baby na kutsira ha madaba khalela ritiwa ha madaba khalela ilada swisi biti ndi da swisi talent dzichepisi zvisimple ukavori nezviisi upfiri yakona vori makangadzi